It's a cold and damp, windy day out there. Day 2 of the TIKE Life 30-day nature Nourish. Well, usually I wouldn't want to take my dogs out in this weather because usually I don't like going outside when it's cold like this, but I'm going to do it anyways and treat my dogs to a wonderful day in the park. They haven't caught on that I'm going to get them ready yet, but let's see how they react when I ask them. Just one sec. Hey Marv, Hibou, come here. Come here, boys. Hey buddy, sit down. You too. Sit. What are you guys doing today? Are you bored? Do you want to go outside? Huh? You want to go for a walk? Would you like to go for a walk, Marvin? What do you say? What do you say? You want to go for a walk? Yeah, you too. You too, boo. You want to go for a walk? Yeah, that's boy. That a boy. Let's do it. Let's get going. Come on. Hey, you happy dog? Yeah, you happy? Nice work, Marv. You all warmed up, Hibou? Think you can go super far this time? Let's see. Good boy. Just sprinting like nobody's business. He's been in this park 100 times and he's just as excited no matter what. Every time you throw the ball, he is the exact same enthusiasm. And then Marvin loves to just rip his own little trails around. Both equally excited to be here. Excited for every moment that they have on this earth. Such an inspiration. Even on a cold day like today, Hibou likes his bath. Good boy. Cool off, hydrate, do some downward dog and stretching after a good exercise. And they're the wet wonders, drying off outside before they come in for a bath. Good boy. And 3, 2, 1, go Marvin!